Hey everybody, did you know you can go to colinmullen.com in order to get art and art prints? It's why I set up the website, colinmullen.com. So hey everybody, more work on the customer game. It needs a really solid name. God, if anyone has a recommendation on a name for a game, right now, I'm going with Feral Friday, but that doesn't really have the vibe of a game where the idea is that every Friday you're allowed to punch the customers because, that's how the government has decided to deal with people's dissatisfaction and working bad jobs, rather than, trying to increase their wages or just material conditions in any sort of way, just random acts of violence. There's a little, I guess, political commentary there. It's kind of inherent in anything that I do. If I try and open my mouth, I can't not think about the things that I know. And that's what I know. Anyway, it needs a good name, but part of it, I agree, or I think, as well, is that it needs to have a name that really gets that idea across that it is about violence, but not use words that would mess with it in an SEO search. Right? So if people started making videos of this game, I wouldn't want their channels to not do well with that game because of, let's say it's murder, kill, butcher, kill, slaughter Fridays. That is absolutely going to get wrecked by SEO, right? And so then they put out their stream or their video covering my game, and it does poorly, and they go, well, this game sucks, no one wants to watch it. And it's just an SEO problem. Am I solving problems before they exist? Yeah, but I think that's the way you ought to do things. So I need to get the idea across that this is what the game is, and then it's kind of silly. On top of that, I'm really starting to realize that a lot of the really successful games of the last little while, indie games, outside of Hollow Knight, are largely multiplayer games. Quote-unquote friend slop, right? Which is so unfortunate because I do feel that this game would be a lot better if you could play multiplayer. God, chat integration would be great if chat could just come in and be a customer and just or something. I don't know. But again, this all feels like scope creep and stuff that I would love to do that may be outside of what I can do. So, I don't know. Do you guys have any recommendations for names? These are I guess I should talk about what we've been working on. This is the teenager amalgam. Rather than make them 3 separate teenagers that come in at the same time and just wander as a group, I was like, what if they're just one creature? I don't really see a reason for them to have separate hitboxes. Because, largely, they aren't individually a problem. It's that they are a group that causes the problem. If you've worked retail, the teenagers coming in and screwing everything up in the store is entirely a group of people that you know about. So, I had to include them. I need to include, obviously, everyone else, and I need to get, the rigging done for this model, but I'm pretty happy with how it came out, You got the tall, awkward one who has this just awful acne problem, absolute pizza face where every single, pore is just clogged with oil, and he doesn't wash his face, and the hair is coming down his face. That's great. We got the shorter one, I guess he's more of an average height, who, is the guy with the hat. Again, he is the guy that I imagine if I could use a Cookie Monster shirt and hat combo on him, he would be rocking that. He would be rocking the shutter shades or whatever the equivalent now would be for that kind of chill but cool guy. And then we have what chat, when I was working on this, referred to as the girl who's pretty but smells bad. Weird girl who smells bad or something like that, where it's just I wanted to do the raccoon stripes. I wanted to do something. Someone in chat recommended a piercing, and that was immediately yes. They said give them some snake bites too. and we are on it. Really good stuff. I do feel pretty happy about how these turned out. I need to get into the weeds about like programming a bit, and I feel like that's like the least exciting part of it. So I definitely need to do that this coming weekend, like today and tomorrow, and hopefully we can get some work done on that, and then maybe we can do a little bit more stuff on the week coming up here. That's basically what I've got for you today. Just another little update on the game. I would like to get back to the other game I was working on, but I feel like that this is probably more likely to have that kind of like energy that it really needs in order for it to be popular. It's also like, what is the term that people use now? Vent art, trauma art, something along those lines, where it's just like, I just want to like explain why I hate working retail. It's a rough gig. Anyway, let me go ahead and thank the people on patreon.com who help keep me out of the horrible front lines that are public retail work. Y'all are absolute winners in my book, and I really, really appreciate you guys so much. I think that will become even more obvious once you see what I am doing with my game. And that people like you at the $5 tier or more really allow me to keep doing this thing. So thank you, first off, to my mom and dad. I love you. Thank you, Wapfu. Thank you, Vixalux. Thank you, Trusty Patches. Thank you, Tofoundor. Thank you, Split. Thank you, Spaghetto. Thank you, Sophia Nope. Thank you, Seraph. Thank you, Reverend Joe. Thank you, Pig Wrestler. Thank you, Mortis. Thank you, Michael Carr. Thank you, Lunar Ray. Thank you, Caddy K. Thank you, Josepher. Thank you, Gabriel Bennett. Thank you, Freak Wannabe. Thank you, Egg. Thank you, Count Cannoli. Thank you, Chiptune Glitch. Thank you, Amber. Thank you, Aggiewag. And thank you, Ants! Man, that list felt way longer this time than usual. Thank you guys for being so incredibly supportive. I know that finances are hard for everyone right now with the world the way it is, but obviously it makes it mean also much more when you guys do support me in whichever way you do. Just watching this video helps quite a lot as well. And if you have any questions about art that are, more beyond the basics, let me know, and I will do whatever I can to try and assist you guys. Thank you for being in my corner. I appreciate you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.